We are driving to Farol Cabo Espichel. I want to see the sunsets behind the lighthouse over there. The difficulty will be the lighthouse is on a cliff, and I want to have the ocean, so I need to find a good angle, but I don't know exactly where the sun is going to set. Vroom vroom. I will use an app over there. It's called Sunseeker to see exactly where the sun will set, and then I will see if I can find an angle where I have like everything in frame and can make a time-lapse video. But for now, enjoy the ride. Oh my god, it's so hot already. I thought it would be a little bit more cold already, but no. It's still 30 degrees in full gear. Well, hey, safety first, huh? Nah, I also drive without gear, but only when it's like a really small drive. And now it's like an hour drive. It's not like long, but it's an hour drive. So let's gear up. Let's see. We have just rolled out of Fernão, Ferro, and now following the EN337. The road slips into the woods here where the trees lean into both sides. It's quiet, just the hum of the bike and that faint pine smell. It's a good stretch to settle in before the ghost shows up again. Alfarim, and as you can hear, we have the audio from the camera itself, not from the microphone. At this point I lost the connection with the microphone, which I didn't know, of course, when I was driving, so sorry for this. I just passed Alfarim and I'm going to backpedal because this is probably the last stop that I'm going to be able to make. And I'm looking for a supermarket to get some water because in Farol I'm going to record for a couple of hours, get the sunset, so and maybe they have some ice cream. No, I'm going to take more in this. As you can see, I found my ice cream, which is basically my guilty pleasure. I don't eat much carbs, but this is one of the things that I do eat. Okay, Almada left, sesimbra left, Lisbon left, everything is left, but we are going to the right. Look at this road, it is so beautiful. Sound effects. Okay, that's a weird house. Okay, they're all weird. Wow. Brother, what the fuck? The view, the view, the views. There is the lighthouse already. is this? Rijdt helemaal door de binnenbocht heen, brother. Let's see where the sun is going down, because I have this app. Let me make a... Because you can track where the sun is going and where it's going to set. So that is where it's going to set. But the difficulty is to have this in the shot and have that in the shot. I need to be far, far, far away. Look at this cliff, bro. Look at this cliff. Really beautiful. Okay. First, let's see if I can find the shot. I have all of my shots, even the interval of the hyperlapse, time-lapse. I have also the time-lapse of the sunset, which is really nice. Maybe next time I take more shots, not on 5 seconds, but maybe on 2 seconds, because it's going fast. But yeah, anyway, I have the shot, I have the lighthouse, but now that the sun is down and I'm going, I don't know if you can see in the back. Vroom vroom. Meow.